Why should you wake up at 5 a.m.? Waking up early could bring many benefits into your life. No one likes to be groggy in the morning, but not many choose to change their habits and learn how to wake up early. But there's no reason to stay tired every morning. There are plenty of ways you can help to train your body and mind into enjoying early starts to the day. Here are 3 tips on how to wake up early. Number 1. Have only one alarm clock. You may think that if you have many alarm clocks it will be easier for you to wake up, but that is not correct. Scientific studies in Japan found out that if you go to sleep after your first alarm woke you up, it will be even harder for you to wake up second time. You just need to make yourself to go out of bed the first time and train that habit. You'll see how much easier will be for you after few days of doing so. Number 2. Go to bed early. It makes perfect sense that going to bed early will increase your chances of being able to rise early. Going to bed early helps you get a full night's rest before your early morning. So, when you wake up, you're less likely to feel fatigued from poor sleep or lack of sleep. Getting into a good sleep routine will help you get up early, as your body will naturally fall into sleep cycles at certain times. Number 3. You need a reason why. And not just the "I want to wake up early" as it has loads of amazing benefits. That's far too common and uninspiring. Think about what you want to achieve with the time. Do you want to improve your fitness? Maybe you want to spend more time with family and friends? Do you want to spend more time on your business? Or do you want to fix your grades in school? Changing a habit can be challenging, but with right mindset you can achieve anything.